Hello pawb, Mrs Dart here. I thought I'd send you all a quick message just to see how you all are. Hope you're all keeping well and staying safe at home. I've been hearing from Mrs Jane about some of the fabulous work you've been sending in and some of the lovely activities you've been sharing with us. Some of you have been baking, some of you have been working out in the garden, a lot of you have been following a certain PE master, for want of a better word, in the mornings. So however you're spending your time at home, I hope you're enjoying yourselves. Lockdown is a good time to learn some new skills. I see a lot of your teachers have been sharing some skills with you, doing their assemblies and their bedtime stories. I thought this would be a good time to share one of my own skills with you. I cannot sing as well as Mrs Morris, nor do I have a guitar, and I cannot play as well as Mrs Gatt. But I can share with you a skill of mine, and that's learning some basic Italian greetings. We don't do Italian in school, and so this is a good chance to learn something new for many of you. So let's learn how to say hello, my name is, how are you, goodbye, and please and thank you. And so these are greetings you would use with your friends, your classmates, with your sister, your brother, your dog, or your goldfish. So to learn how to say hello or hi, we would say ciao, ciao. And if you wanted to say good day, good morning, you would say buongiorno, buongiorno, buongiorno. If it's the evening time, after about 5 PM, after tea, you would say buonasera, buonasera, buonasera. You wouldn't say good night, which is buonanotte, until you're actually going to bed. So I'm hoping nobody will be greeting anybody else at that time of night. So ciao, buongiorno, and buonasera. If you want to say my name is, you would say mi chiamo, mi chiamo. So mi chiamo Mrs Dart, mi chiamo. So ciao, mi chiamo Mrs Dart. If you want to ask how the other person is doing, how it's going, you would say come va, come va, come va. So I would say ciao, mi chiamo Mrs Dart, come va. And there are two answers for this. You can say sto bene, sto bene, sto bene, which means I'm doing well. You can say non c'è male, non c'è male. Non c'è male means yeah, it's okay. If you wanted to leave, you could say see you soon, which is a presto, see you soon, a presto. Or you can also say goodbye, which in the informal way is the same word as hi. So it's ciao, ciao. So ciao means hi or goodbye, informally with friends. So it's 2 for 1 that one, because that's a bonus word. Ciao. And thank you, I'm sure many of you recognise. So that's grazie, grazie, thank you, grazie. And we have please. Please is per piacere, per piacere, per piacere. And so please and thank you can be used in combination with the greetings we've just learnt. So now when you're asking someone, come va, how's it going? You can say, sto bene, grazie, sto bene, grazie. So the whole conversation might go something like this. You might say, ciao, hi, mi chiamo Mrs Dart. Come va? Sto bene, grazie. A presto. Ciao. Hopefully that's been a bit of light entertainment for you in the lockdown day. Please continue learning all these new skills and doing all of your activities. If you are sending any work to teachers, either via upload onto Hub or via email, please say thank you. They're doing a fantastic job of supporting you at home and looking after you. Many of them also have children and responsibilities at home as well. You could also use your new Italian skills and say grazie. Grazie is Grazie. Grazie, Grazie, as well as diolch. In the meantime, please look after yourselves, stay safe, look after whoever you're living with at the moment. Go and tidy up those bedrooms if they're looking a bit untidy after the last game of Scrabble. We look forward to seeing you all back at school as soon as it's safe to do so. So take care and look after each other. Ciao!